But now the problem that we are facing as Africa is in regards to cross-border payments. You know, we have different currencies in different countries. So if in Kenya I'm sending money to Nigeria, we lose a lot basically because of mistrust from one institution to the other, and then also the time that is involved. So we are coming into a space that we are addressing the unbanked. In Africa alone, we have over 500 million of individuals who are unbanked. And why? Not that because they don't lack value, but because maybe the institutions have not seen the value in them. And the system in place, the KYC and whatnot, has not valued the unbanked. So we are coming to the unbanked in their own way, using our own complied KYC. We know fingerprint is even used at the airports.
Yes.
So we're starting with the fingerprints. At the local level, we speak the local language. At the local level, we want to give solutions so that if you're in a very rural place, where's the most remote area in Kenya?
Turkana?
Turkana, maybe. Let's see Turkana. You're in the remotest place of Turkana, you can actually send your 100 Umoja coin to somebody else and he receives the exact. Right now, by any transaction, you know, even the mobile transactions that you're using, have you ever sat for 1 month and say you want to tabulate all your transaction fee? I think you'll be frustrated with the mobile transfer.
Yes.
So we are coming with a solution built on the Polygon network to provide solutions for the unbanked and the privileged and these people who we consider have value in our community.
And what is the most important keynote that you took from the panelists that we had before today?
Panelists today, more of the panelists, I joined the panelists, what they are talking about is regulatory, and I would say there's a lot of jargon. And that jargon, for me, I would say that the local community requires these terms to be simplified. I understand the audience here is tech savvy and whatnot, innovators, developers, but the message has to be simplified. And that's why you look at a company like Safaricom, they had to innovate their terms, Sambaza, a lot of terms that they had to come up so that the person who's at the local level, rural level, is able to adopt.
Yeah.
You're talking about, it's good that the terms that people are using, but at the end of it, for whose, they say qui bono, for whose benefit? For whose benefit, yes.
Okay, thank you so much. And for those who have not come to this event, what can you tell them?
If you're not coming for this event, I think you're missing out to the space. You're going to learn a lot of things. You're going to learn about the rails. I have a session in the afternoon. I'll be one of the panelists. We have a fire chat. And basically we're discussing about blockchain and stable coins. And we understand right now that a lot of Kenyans in this space, we have like 4.6 million Kenyans on Binance alone. And we have, you look at the transaction that in Africa alone did for stablecoins was 54 billion US dollars. So Africa is adopting not only digital payment, but blockchain payment in a very fast rate. Actually, we are the third growing, Sub-Saharan Africa is third growing globally in regards to adoption of payment solutions. So guys who are missing out on what is the new tech, what is the regulatory framework that we are in the space, the discussion around the adoption and partnership. So I think there is a lot that people can gain for attending such events and meetups.
Okay.